Friends, I am Namita. Once again, I welcome you to all in the maths class. So, students, let's continue our maths class with the same topic, solid shapes. We were doing this topic day before yesterday. Day before yesterday, I explained you what is solid shape and what are the faces in the solid shape and edges and corners. So, again, I am explaining you today with the help of cuboid. Okay, I will show you the shape how cuboid looks like. Okay, here I'll explain you again what are faces and edges and corners. Okay, see, here I have taken shape of cuboid. Okay, so faces, what are faces? The flat surface of any object is called, any solid shape is called face. So this is the flat portion, that is called face. This is called face. This is the plane portion, flat surface of any object. This is the face and this one is. Okay, so let's count how many faces are there in cuboid. Let's start counting. I have mentioned number also. Let's start counting from this side. One face, 1, 2. These two we have counted. These two faces, 1 and 2. Okay, now we will start counting these sides of faces. 1, 2 we have already done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces we have in cuboid? 6. So we will write here 6. We have 6 faces in cuboid. So as I told you, edges. What are edges? Where two faces meet, this line is called edges. Okay, so let's start counting. How many edges do we have in cuboid? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply in this face we have 6 edges. These faces are meeting here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 faces, 8 edges we have. Okay, now we will count these sides of edges. 8 we have counted here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 edges. So we will write here 12. Okay, students, now we will count corners. How many corners do we have in cuboid? These are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the one side of this cuboid and this is the another side. I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners we have in the cuboid? 8. So we will write here 8. So here we have written 6 faces. How many faces do we have in cuboid? 6. Edges, 12. Corners, 8. Okay, now let's take another shape. Next shape we are taking cone. Okay, we will count. What we will count? We will count faces, edges and corner. So in cone we have face at the bottom of the shape. Okay, so we have one face in the cone and one edge, a single edge we have in the cone and one corner. So in cone we have one corner, one face and one edge. So we will write here, we have one face in the cone, one edge and one corner. Okay, here we have done cone and cuboid. Next shape I am taking shape of cylinder. Okay, we will write its faces, edges, and corner. Okay, see, this is the shape made at home. So here we have shape of cylindrical shape we call it. So how many faces do we have in this shape? We can see one, this is the flat surface of the object, we call it face 1, and 2. How many faces do we have in cylindrical shape, in cylinder shape? 2. Okay, 2 faces and edges 1. This is the another edge 2. 2 faces and 2 edges. But can you see any corner in this object? Of course not, because there is no corner in this object. So in cylindrical shape we have 2 faces and 2 edges. Okay students, so we will write here, we have 2 faces in the cylindrical shape and edges 2, 1 and this 2 with no corner. So I'll put here dash. So here we have done our solid shape. Here we have done our topic solid shape with the different by taking the different examples. Cube we have taken day before yesterday. So students, here we have finished our chapter 1, and tomorrow we will do a quick revision of maths. Okay, all right, thank you.